I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Buenos días a todos en casita, yo soy la profesora Paulina Ramírez de la asignatura de danza y conmigo van a estar trabajando las pausas. La pausa activa del día de hoy vamos a trabajar un poco de coordinación. Explicaremos la actividad. Con tu mano izquierda vas a chasquear arriba y abajo. Ese es el movimiento que va a hacer tu mano. Con la mano derecha, igual con chasquidos, pero el movimiento va a ser triangular. Entonces va a ser 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ahora haremos los dos movimientos juntos. ¿Cómo va a quedar? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ahora lo haremos con música y a una velocidad un poco más rápida. Eso ha sido todo por el día de hoy. Espero que te haya gustado. Esperamos tus videos y nos...
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great today. We're going to start with the vocabulary and then with the explanation about the topics of today. Okay, first practice and repeat after me, please. Brother. Brother is a family member. Alan is my brother. Father. Father is a family member. He is my father. Mother. Mother is a family member. She is my mother. Family members. The family members are all the members of your family, like grandfather, sister, mother, father, okay? In this picture, you can see the most important family members of a family. For example, mother and father, sister and brother, grandfather and grandmother. There are others members in a family. In this picture, you can see a family tree. Okay, repeat after me, please. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, son, daughter, cousin, pet. Okay, a pet can be considered a family member. For me, a pet can be a dog or a cat, can be a family or a member of a family. Okay. Practice and repeat all the family members. Remember, the activities are: draw in your notebook your most important family members, and then play Kahoot.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.